Find the sum of first n natural number. Natural numbers are, what are natural numbers? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus, like that, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to n terms. Up to n terms. How can we find out? So here a is equal to 1 and d value is 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So what is Sn? Use the formula sum of nth term of an AP is given by n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the values of a and d. You will get 2 into value of a is 1 plus n minus 1 keep as it is into value of d is 1. That's equal to n by 2 into, simplify, 2 ones are 2, n minus 1 into 1 means n minus 1. Now again simplify n by 2 into n. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, sum of first n natural numbers are given by n into n plus 1 divided by 2. This formula is very important. Sum of first n natural numbers are given by Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2, right? Let us move to another problem. Find the sum of first n even integers. Even integers are 2, then 4, 6, like that, up to n integers, n terms. So here what is A is 2 and what is D? D is equal to second term minus first term is equal to again 2. Therefore what is Sn? Sum of first n even integers. What is the formula to find the sum of first n natural number or n even integers or n terms? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the value of a and d here. 2 into value of a is 2 plus n minus 1 into value of d again 2 is equal to n by 2 into 2 2s are 4 plus 2n minus 2. Simplify n by 2 into 2n. 4 minus 2 is equal to plus 2. Take the common factor outside. N by 2 into common factor is 2. Take outside. N plus 1 is remaining inside the bracket. 2 ones are gets cancelled. So answer is n into n plus 1. Therefore sum of first n even integers are given by the formula Sn is equal to n into n plus 1. This is also very important. Note down. Next, one problem is given. Find the sum of first n odd integers. Do yourself. Sum of first n odd integers. What are odd integers? 1 plus 3 plus 5, like that, plus up to n terms. So what is a here? A means the first term. It is 1 and common difference d is given by a2 minus a1. It is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore what is Sn? So use the same formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute the values of a and d. What is a here? A is 1 plus n minus 1 into value of d is 2. Here n by 2 into 2 ones are 2 plus 2 into n is equal to n minus 2. Now what happens? Inside the bracket plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled. So we will have only 2n. Now n by 2 into 2, n 2 ones are 2 ones are gets cancelled. So Sn, sum of first n odd integers is given by the formula n square. This is also very important, right? Next, move to one more problem. Find the sum of the first 40 positive integers which are divisible by 6. Sum of first 40 positive integers. What are the first 40 positive integers? They should divisible by 6. Means these numbers are the multiples of 6. What are the multiples of 6? Write one by one. Multiples of 6. 6, 12. Next number is 18. Like that, 24 up to 40 numbers. So here what is A is equal to 6 and D is equal to 12 minus 6. We can use that formula also, or otherwise we can use this formula. See, take common factor outside. What is common here? 6 is the common factor. Take outside. We will get 1 plus 2 plus so on up to 40 terms. So here 6 into, what is this inside the bracket? These are what? Sum of first 40 natural numbers. So what is sum of first n natural number? It is given by the formula. We already found this formula. Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So what is as 40 now? Sum of first 40 natural numbers is given by the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. N is 40. So 40 into n plus 1. 40 plus 1 is equal to 41 divided by 2. Now 2 ones are 2, 20 times are. So 6 into 20 into 41 is the answer. 6 into 20 into 41 is equal to 82. So 820 into 6. What do you get? Product of 6 into 820 is equal to 1780. Right? We can use the formula Sn also. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d also. Here a is equal to 6 and d is equal to 12 minus 6. It's equal to common difference. D is equal to 6. Use that formula also. But you get the same answer. 1720. Right? Next, move to one more problem. Find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. Multiples of 8 are what? 8 plus 16 plus 24 plus up to 40 terms, 15 terms. 15 terms. So here also it is easy to take the common factor outside. 8 common factor, take outside 1 plus 2 plus 8 3s are 24, like that up to 15 terms. So here also again apply the same formula. Inside the bracket 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 15 terms. It is what? Sum of first n 15 natural numbers. Formula is what? Sum of first n natural numbers are given by n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So what is S? 15. Now 8 into S15 is equal to 15 into next term. See, 15 plus into 16 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 8s are is equal to what? 8 into 15 into again 8 is equal to 8 8s are 64 into 15. Now find the product of 64 into 15. 15 4s are 60. 15 6s are 7. 15 6s are 90. 96. Yes. So product of sum of first 15 multiples of 8 is equal to 960, right? Next, find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 20. Yes, this is the last problem. Sum of odd numbers between 0 and 2. What are the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50? Odd numbers starting from 1, it is equal to 1. Next number is 3. Next number 5 up to 50 means it's a previous number. It is 49. So here what are given? First term a is given. A is equal to 1. Common difference is what is D? 3 minus 1, it is equal to 2. And last term it is an. An is given. It is 49. So what we have to calculate? We have to find number of terms. How many terms are there? So use the formula. Some nth term of an AP, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute the value of an. It is 49 is equal to value of a 1 plus n value unknown minus 1 into d value is 2. It's equal to plus 1 carry to this side. It becomes a minus 1 is equal to n minus 1 into 2. Again 49 minus 1 is equal to 48. Carry into 2 to this side. It becomes divided by 2 is equal to n minus 1. So 48 divided by 2 is equal to 24. Right? So 24 is equal to n minus 1. So what is the value of n now? N is equal to carry minus 1 to that side. It becomes 24 plus 1 is equal to 25. Therefore, we got value of n also. So how can you find out the sum of Sn? Sn means here n value is 25. So what is S25? Now use the formula. We can use both the formula either by using Sn, sum of first n terms. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or sum of see these are what? These are sum of what? Odd integers. First n odd integers is given by what? Sn is equal to n square. We can easily use this formula also. Sn is equal to n square. First, because it is odd numbers, so we can easily find out S25 is equal to 25 square. It's equal to 625, right? Or try to solve the same using this formula also. N by 2, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here S25 is equal to n 25 divided by 2 into value of a is 1 plus n value is 25 minus 1 into value of d is what? D is 2. Now on simplification, what do you get? Simplify this. Sn S25 is equal to S25 equal to 25 by 2 into 2 ones are 2 plus 25 minus 1 is equal to 24. 24 twos are 48, right? So it is equal to 25 divided by 2 into, add them, 48 plus 2 is equal to 50. Again 2 ones are 2, 25 are, what's remaining here? 25 into 25 is equal to 25 square means 625. So sum of first odd integers between 0 and 25 is given by is equal to 625. We can use both the formula. Did you get this? Yes. Yes, children. Now let us summarize the chapter arithmetic progressions. What are the important formulae? Here, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here, an is the nth term, a is the first term, n is the number of terms, and d is the common difference. Then, same way, we can find out nth term from the end of the AP is given by the formula L minus n minus 1 into D. This is also important. Nth term from the end of an AP is given by L minus n minus 1 into D, right? Next, if any two terms of an AP, say AP and AQ are given, then the common difference D is given by the formula AP minus AQ divided by P minus Q, right? Then if sum of n term Sn and Sn minus 1 are given, then Sn minus 1 is equal to An. This is also helpful to solve the problem. Then sum of first n term of an AP is given by the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here Sn is the sum of nth term, n is the number of term, a is the first term, d is the common difference. Suppose first and last term of an AP are given, then sum Sn is given by n by 2 into a plus an, or we can use this formula also. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Here an or al both are same. You can write here L also. This is L. Then suppose number of terms and the middle term of an AP are given, then Sn sum is given by the formula n into middle term or average. Middle term, because first and last term divided by 2 is the average or middle term. It is known as average or middle term. So n into middle term is equal to Sn also. Then if in an AP, A, B, C are in AP, then B is given by the formula A plus C divided by 2. Sum of first and last term divided by 2, where B is known as arithmetic mean. This is also helpful to solve the problem. Sum of first n natural numbers Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Sum of first n odd integers Sn is equal to n square. Similarly, sum of first n even integers Sn is equal to n into n plus 1. These also very important formulae.